Walk in your trap and take over. Name another bitch that's colder. I just bought a brand new Rover. I don't even drive no more, I got a chauffeur. Took off, man, they asking me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey, it's your girl Barbie. Yeah, it's your girl Barbie, and I'm back with another video. Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2, and I'm really happy to see you guys here. Guys, I'm sounding so happy, but I just literally finished crying because the footages of everything I filmed yesterday just got deleted. Like, I had to kind of back up my iCloud. I had already finished editing everything and I lost every single footage. So now I'm sad, but what to do? There's nothing to do. I cannot come and keep myself. So today the video was supposed to be going shopping with me. It was a very wonderful video. Like, it was very, very fun. You know, now I'm putting time into my content. Like, guys, my heart is broken, but I'm hoping that I can go back to the mall, hopefully, and have to do another shopping, and then I'll film shopping with me. But today I'm going to be cooking. So we're going to cook, drink wine, and discuss about, the year so far. I guess that's also an interesting video. But just that was my day 3 video, but it's fine. So now I want to prepare for some things I have to do. But before I do that, let me show you guys what I got yesterday, because I really loved every single item I got. So I have to show you guys, okay? So one of the items that I got, I literally am wearing it. So I went on a hunt for a winter jacket. That was really what the vlog was about. Me looking for a winter jacket for this winter. So I finally found it in Sensei, and I got some earrings with it. The first thing I got is this jacket. I'm so sad, guys. I'm trying to be happy, but I'm really sad. And I really love this jacket. Like, it's so cute. It's literally so cute. I kind of wore that. No, you know what? Let me not tell you guys about the things I lost, okay? There's no fun in it. But this is the winter jacket I got, and I really love it. I'm looking for a winter jacket that had a hoodie and pocket. But this one, I loved it. It has a pocket, but it didn't have a hoodie. So I got myself this beanie. Let me wear it. So I got myself this beanie. Woo! And yeah, I love it. So this was the first thing I got. So this hoodie. Guys, I love it so much. It's like a crop hoodie and it's so pretty. I love it. So yeah, that was what I got. And yeah, so we are just going to cook. Today I want to cook rice and beef and chicken stew. So you know it's gonna be. So yeah, let's get ready. I'll see you guys when it's time to cook. Bye guys. So guys, as I've lost that footage, don't worry, I will film again in that more better content. But guys, I got myself a new jacket. Guys, buying this jacket is in conjunction with the Holy Spirit, because the Holy Spirit has to give me money to put back for this jacket I bought. So today I'm going to film a cook with me. I want to cook rice and stew. If you know, stew is that food that never fails, but my stew is very different. I want to cook it with egg, beef, and chicken. So I'm going to get some things that I don't have at home. They are like 4 spices that I cannot cook my stew without, that I don't have. And that's ginger, garlic, rosemary, and basil. So I'm about to cook, but every day before I cook, I make sure I clean up first. And for today, I already knew, like earlier on, that I'm cooking stew. So while I was making breakfast, after that, I brought out my beef and my chicken. I bought it yesterday, but I won't be using everything. So guys, I just restocked my fridge recently, and I found this drink, guys. This is the drink I'm going to be using for my intro. I don't see how my kitchen looks. Like that is my egg, and in the pot is my meat that I'm about to cook, guys. This is my kitchen. I know I've not formally given you guys a house tour, but like there's nothing to show. Basically, like there's nothing to show. It's just my sitting room, my kitchen that I just showed you guys. And yeah, so guys, I just finished showering, and you know, I feel better now. It's just I'm hungry. My hands are still shaking. And I'm hungry. Filming while cooking. It's gonna be hard, but we're gonna do it either ways. I haven't even done my lips, that's why I'm over applying gloss, and the gloss I'm using for sure by Ruby. So now let the cooking begin. Right now, this is the only pot I have remaining, and I want to boil 6 eggs. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Overflow. So guys, I wanted to cook and at the same time talk about my year so far, but I don't think that's supposed to be. Guys, this is something I learned like for kind of lazy girl cooking, but make sure you always have clean water in your flask or somewhere to like fill up on your food or whatever it is. Guys, this is nothing about cooking. Come in. Guys, this is one thing about cooking and watching a movie. When the movie gets interesting, you forget about the food. Oh, but my chicken is done. Taste. Let me look for small beef. Now I used to taste. Ah, good. Apart from the health benefits, right? If you don't use ginger and garlic to cook, start. I'm telling you, start. I've not seen small one. So this one. Start. So a stew hack that I use, because I don't know sha, but the whole slappy stew thing, me, I don't know how to taste it. But my friend showed me something. She was like, when the stew becomes darker and then kind of separates one, you know that it's kind of fried or it's done. So this is what I mean by it should still have liquid in it. Can you see? Ooh, it's a bit splashing. Ooh. Did you see the disaster that just happened? I did not reduce the fire. Don't be like me. Reduce the fire. I'm sure when I have a friend that when the person is watching this vlog, the person will be like, I always tell you. I always tell you. Guys, the floor everywhere. Ah! Let me. This looks good already. Eggs. Good. Chicken. Beef. You stir it. I'm going to add my stock, everything. I like poultry stew. If you don't like it, don't do your own like that. Because the amount of ingredients I use to season that chicken, all of them go inside. Because sometimes when you use stock, the under parts, you know, is where the spices is and you will not put it. So me, I put everything. I add my sendemende on top. So guys, this is the end product. Ooh, it looks really good. This is the beef, the chicken, the egg, and I'm about to enjoy and watch Teen Wolf. Have you guys watched that series? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Yeah. So guys, that's the end of the vlog for today. Make sure you like, you share, you subscribe, because I'm coming out with a banger. So yeah, that's the video. I will see you guys next time. I love you all. and hopefully by the next time you guys see me, my wound will be fully healed. Okay, bye guys, I love